Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to change password on Telus Wi-Fi. First, make sure your mobile device is connected to your Telus Wi-Fi network. Open the Telus Connect app on your phone or tablet. Once the app is open, you will see the main dashboard of the app. Look for the network section and select it. In the network section, you will see your Wi-Fi details. Tap on the Wi-Fi card to view more options. At the top right corner of the Wi-Fi screen, there is a pencil icon. This is the Edit button. Tap on the pencil icon to make changes. You will now see options to edit your networks. You can choose to change the password for either your main network or your guest network. Select the network you want to change. Next, tap on the password field. Delete the old password and type the new password you want to use. Make sure your new password is strong. A strong password includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using common words or easily guessed combinations. After entering the new password, tap Save. Your changes will be applied, and your devices will need the new password to reconnect to the Wi-Fi network. Thanks for watching.